Huawei is dominating everywhere, and the main reason is its triple folding phone, which is set to launch on September 10th. In our previous video, we saw that Huawei is hosting a grand ceremony on September 10th where they will unveil their first triple folding phone, and now, exactly 24 hours later, Huawei officially released two teasers for this device, through which we can now confirm the name of this upcoming futuristic device. So the name of Huawei's triple folding phone will be Huawei Mate XT. Aside from this, we also got our first live image of the phone which got leaked today. But firstly, let's talk about this teaser of the device, which is very important.
3折点，屏幕这么大，这么薄，它还可以这么折，这么折，这么折，这么看，这么看，怎么看都好看。3折叠，太妙了。
I know you probably didn't understand a single word in this video because it's in Chinese, but don't worry, I'm here. I'll quickly explain the main purpose of this video to you. Well, in this video, many Chinese stars simply explained how they felt or what was their first time experience with the new triple foldable phone. They described that the Huawei Mate XT ultimate design is thin, large and light on the hands. The overall texture of the device is quite good and doesn't feel a burden even if you hold it for a long time. It can fold 3 times and looks good. The development of this technology is really a great achievement. 3-fold, so cool, said one of the Chinese actors. Moving on, with these teasers, Huawei has confirmed for the first time that the Huawei Mate XT is a triple folding phone. Even though the company and its executives have teased the device several times, they haven't officially marked it as a triple foldable phone so far, but now it's officially confirmed. Now, let's talk about this hands-on view of one of the device side. But do take this with a gigantic pinch of salt, since not even the Chinese source of this image is sure of the authenticity. It's hard to tell how real this is since the Huawei Mate XT will be the very first tri-fold smartphone we'll ever see. Maybe it will look like this from the side, maybe it won't. Either way, we'll have official images in exactly 1 week, so there isn't that much more waiting to do. Anyway, this Huawei Mate XT, if it even is that, is claimed to be an engineering prototype which has 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. Of course, Huawei may offer other RAM storage combos as well upon launch. The phone was allegedly listed on a second-hand sales platform in China for $2,300, which is a big price tag. But I knew it will be much more of an expensive device because of the newly introduced technology. And as far as the name of the device is concerned, the Mate series is usually geared up towards early adapters and was the first lineup from the brand to feature a foldable device with the Huawei Mate X back in 2019. So that is why Huawei is starting the device with the name Mate, because at the end it's the folding phone, and Huawei's Mate series include folding phones as well, like the Huawei Mate X3. So this is all I got, but make sure to subscribe to this channel because I will be covering every bit of this phone. So I don't want you guys to miss any video of mine. Plus, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.